everybody. It's Jackie with the Fancy Front Door. Come on in and say hi and let me know you can see me and hear me. I am going to make a Frankenstein grapevine wreath today on an oval grapevine wreath, and we're going to add some mesh to it. I just went live and unboxed a lot of goodies that I got in. One of the things was Frankie. I absolutely love him. I also got a black and white pop box as my monthly subscription box from DecoExchange. And I pulled out tons of black and white yummy goodness and just fell in love. Absolutely in love with all of the goodies in there. Let's see, we're gonna add a little bit of mesh. I love the lime green of Frankie and how it pops against that hot orange. So I'm gonna be laying down some mesh that's black and white and lime green, because that's how I do. I love mesh on a grapevine. It's just so stinking fun. And it covers a lot of area for not a whole lot of money. All right, here we go. Lovely. Okay. Here we go. Hey, you guys. Oh yeah, this is a 16-inch oval grapevine. That is what I'm working on today. So let me uncap my glue pot and get started. I'm gonna go ahead. You guys, these are pretty perfect. They were so inexpensive that I don't really need to worry about like cutting them up and saving costs and whatnot. Nope, I'm just gonna add this whole thing. Nope. I will fluff it out though. Make it dance around. Okay. I will do that. All right. Just dip it in my glue pot. Mowing and going over here. Okay, just work our way around. Some down here. Have them dance in and around and through. Looking good. And around in here. Oh, how fun is this? We've got our lime green and our black and white, and it's so fun. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. Move some back. Okay, so I'm going to start with this. It's a gorgeous 4-inch ribbon, and I can't decide which side to use, so I'm actually going to use both. So let's go ahead and take this and make some loops with it. Oh, it is absolutely divine. It's nice and thick and easy to maneuver once you've got it in a bow, but making the bow, it's a little hard, and that's totally fine, because that means that once you've got it into place, it's not moving. So it's a little difficult to maneuver to get into a bow, but once it's there, oh friend, you're good. You are good. Okay, so now I'm going to come around and make 2 more loops with the other side. Ta-da. All right. Ooh, this is some thick ribbon. I love it. It's not just double-sided, it's a double thick ribbon, which I love. Okay. There we go. I think I want this side out. I'm not sure. Haven't decided yet. Okay, that's looking good. Let's try it in up here. Oh, that's so fun. I think I actually do want this to be just super elegant flowing down, and then I'll leave this side the Harlequin. Okay, so if y'all don't know how to make a hand bow, I actually have a tutorial. All you have to do, it's a free tutorial. All you have to do is text me the word bow, B-O-W, nothing before it, nothing after it, just the word bow, and I'll send it to you. I make this bow with you in 5 minutes. I just go over the steps, and so it's quick and easy. You've got a great view. You're watching it over my shoulder. Just text me the word bow, and I'll send it to you. And like I said, it's only 5 minutes long, so we just keep making the bow together over and over and over again. You can just rewind it, start over, and we'll just make it again until you've got it down. Because I know that hand bows can give some people fits, and I'm here to help. I am here to help, friends. All right, so let's put some more loops in here. Oh, this black on white on black and white on black and white is just giving me life today. Love it. So fun, so whimsical. Let's tie this together. Make it gorgeous. A little extension. Okay, it's on. All right. Now I'm going to do the little reverse curl on this because I want you to see that really fun backside. And the number is 832-261-9705. Let's go ahead and add some of these really fun pops of hot orange. So fun. Let's add some of these in here. How fun he is. Let's go ahead and nest Frank right on in here. So easy to attach. Look how cute. I'm gonna move this. Now we are not done yet. I want to add some pops of some more orange flowers. I'm not crazy about the greens because they're too dark. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop all of those off. Cut some. Cover it up. There. Whew. Feel much better about my life. Okay. Let's have some of these dancing flowers coming in and around and through. I love that we're adding the pops of orange in different sizes. Making this extra fancy. Not every flower needs to be the star of the show. So let's put them all over the place. Okay, and just work our way through here. I believe we're done. You guys, Frank came to life. Okay. How fun was that? All right, thanks for hanging out with me today. If you want to grab this Frankie, go to Designs by Jordan TX on Etsy and grab them. Bye, y'all.